everyone, welcome back to the channel Get Assist. Today we are here to review the brand new OnePlus Nord 5, the boldest Nord yet. We are here to cover its design, features, pricing, camera, battery life, and most importantly whether it deserves and delivers the value or not. So let's get started. Starting off with the design. And trust me, this is where OnePlus never disappoints. The Nord 5 feels premium in hand. It comes with a glass back protected by Gorilla Glass 7i. A sturdy plastic frame. It's slim, just around 8.1 mm and weighs roughly 200 grams, which feels balanced, neither too heavy nor too light. What's great is its IP65 rating, which means it can easily handle out splashes and dust, which users are expecting from Nord series for years. It comes in some really elegant colors: dry ice, phantom grey, and marble sand. Honestly, the dry ice variant looks more premium and classy for its price segment. Moving on to the display, there is where things get impressive. The Nord 5 features a 6.83-inch OLED display with 1.5K resolution, that is 2800 into 1272 pixels, and a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you are gaming, binge watching, or scrolling reels endlessly, the experience is seamless. Plus, it has peak brightness, that is around 1400 to 1800 nits, which makes it easy to use even in outdoors. Now, let's talk about performance and storage. The Nord 5 is equipped with Snapdragon 8S Generation 3 processor, which is flagship grade chip for mid-range pricing. You get options up to 12GB LPDDR5X RAM, 512GB UFS 3.1 storage, multitasking, gaming, video editing, everything runs effortlessly. Also, there is vapor chamber cooling, which manages heat very well during heavy gaming sessions. Now talking of the camera setup. On the rear, it has dual camera setup, which has the following features: 50 megapixel Sony LYT700 main sensor with OIS for sharp and stable shots, 8 megapixel ultra wide lens capturing wild landscapes decently. The front camera is a 50 megapixel Samsung JN5 sensor capable for shooting 4K videos at 60 FPS. For those who love vlogging, taking crisp selfies, it is a treat. Plus, there are AI features like Photo Perfect, Unblur, Portrait Boost, and many more to make your photos social media ready with minimal effort. Talking of the battery and charging, the Nord 5 packs with a massive 6800 mAh battery. Yes, you have heard it right, which means that it even lasts a day after heavy usage. It even supports 80-watt SuperVOOC charging, which means it charges from 0 to 100% within 30 to 35 minutes. It also comes up with bypass charging, which helps to make the mobile phone cool even when you are gaming and charging simultaneously. Talking about the integral part, that is the pricing in India. So it starts at Rs 31,999 for 8GB plus 256GB variant, 34,999 for 12GB 256GB variant, 37,999 for 12GB 512GB. Those superb discounts are running online. Considering the specs, battery and display, the pricing feels just justified. Overall, it is a solid all-rounder in the mid-segment of the smartphones, and it carries the OnePlus legacy quite well. That's it, a quite detailed overview of the OnePlus Nord 5. If you liked the video, do like, share and subscribe, and comment below which feature are you most excited about. And I will see you in the next one.